Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your shipping address on Depop in 2026. So first of all, you need to just simply come here on depop.com. Afterwards, you just have to sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, you just have to simply choose that particular item which you want to purchase. So for example, let's say I want to purchase this particular dress over here. So after selecting the item, simply click on the option of add to bag, then click on the option of checkout on the top right hand corner of the screen. So when you do this, you will be landed here on this particular ship to section, where you need to simply select your current shipping address if you have already added it, or you can also select the option of new shipping address. If this is your first time purchasing from Depop, then you need to simply add your new shipping address. So over here, you need to provide your first name, your last name, then select your country, then provide your address, which includes providing your address detail, city detail, then again select your country, enter your postal code, enter your email address and the phone number, then click on the option of save. Now, after basically saving all of these details, you can continue with the checkout and then you can complete your order. Now, if you have already purchased the item, unfortunately, you can't change the shipping address on that particular order. Instead, you can just simply message the seller immediately and then you can ask them to refund the purchase. After the refund, you can update your address using this particular section only, and then you can purchase that particular item again with the correct address into it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.